the sun is surprisingly quiet right now. What does this mean for the April 8th total solar eclipse? Despite nearing its most active period, the sun is unusually inactive right now, and may not wake up again before the total solar eclipse. How will this impact our view of the spectacle? Over the last 2 months, solar activity has been exceptionally high. We have seen gigantic sunspots, frequent X-class solar flares and towering plasma plumes. On March 23, Earth also experienced its biggest geomagnetic storm in more than 6 years. After a giant cloud of plasma and radiation, known as a coronal mass ejection, smashed into the planet. Right now, however, the sun is surprisingly quiet. There are just a couple of active sunspot regions on the sun's near side to Earth, which are much smaller than those we have seen in the last few weeks. The orientation of these regions' magnetic fields also hints that there is a low chance they will be spitting out solar flares or CMEs between now and the eclipse. But just because solar storms are unlikely doesn't mean the eclipse will be any less spectacular. Due to the sun's currently weakened magnetic field, the corona, the outer part of the sun's atmosphere, which looks like a ghostly halo when viewed during a total eclipse, will still be much more prominent than it is during other periods of the solar cycle. The radiation streaming from the sun will make the corona look like a spiky hedgehog during the eclipse. The next total solar eclipse to visit North America will be April 8, 2024. The duration of totality will be up to 4 minutes and 27 seconds, almost double that of the Great American Eclipse of August 21, 2017. The 2017 total solar eclipse was witnessed by about 20 million people from Oregon to South Carolina. And the upcoming 2024 Great American Eclipse is sure to be witnessed by many millions more. The totality of the solar eclipse will be visible in a narrow strip on the Pacific Ocean, passing 370 kilometers north of the Marquesas Islands and later in North America. Beginning at the Pacific coast, then ascending in a northeasterly direction through Mexico, the United States, and Canada, before ending in the Atlantic Ocean. However, if you are planning to take a peep at the sun during totality, make sure to do so safely. Totality is the only time it is safe to look at the sun without eye protection, and you must be within the path of totality to do so. At all other times during the partial phases of the eclipse, you must wear a decent pair of eclipse glasses, or use other forms of eye protection, such as a pinhole projector or a good solar telescope.